Are you struggling with the setCenter function not working in your Angular Google Maps project? You're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into this common issue and find a solution together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your map isn't behaving as expected. It can feel like you're trying to navigate without a map yourself. But don't worry, this is a common hiccup that many developers face. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why isn't the setCenter function working in my Angular Google Maps component?" They mentioned trying to use pan2 with the same result. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The setCenter function might not be working due to several reasons, such as incorrect latitude and longitude values, or the Google Maps API not being properly initialized. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue with the setCenter method not working, the user should first ensure that the Google Maps API is properly initialized. This is crucial for the map to function correctly. Next, the user should verify that the latitude and longitude values being passed to the setCenter method are correct. This can be done by logging these values before calling the method. After confirming the values, the user should check if the map instance is ready before calling setCenter. This can be done by using the map's idle event to ensure it is fully loaded. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should consider using the pan2 method as an alternative. This method can sometimes work better in certain scenarios. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Google Maps was launched in 2005? It has come a long way since then, but even the best tools can have their quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests utilizing the MapReady event. This event gives you access to the google.maps.map instance, allowing you to perform actions once the map is ready. In the onMapReady function, you can create overlays or perform additional setup. This approach can help ensure that your map manipulations occur after the map is fully initialized. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your coordinates and ensure your API is initialized before making calls. This simple practice can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, your setCenter function should be working smoothly now. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more Angular insights.